Our lesson today is about nutrition and health. Objectives. At the end of this presentation, the students should be able to identify the types of some nutrients found in each food by scientific experiments, pick out from figures the role of vitamins and mineral salts. Food. Food is one of the basic needs for a human to survive. The basic food groups are 1. Vegetables and fruits, for example, apple, tomato. 2. Bread and cereals, for example, bread, rice. 3. Meat, legumes, eggs, for example, bees and meat. 4. Milk and its products, for example, yogurt and cheese. 5. Oils, fats and sugar, for example, butter and oil. Nutrients. Food is anything that contains one or more nutrients. There are 7 main classes of nutrients that the body needs. The first is starch and cereals. The second is sugars. The third, proteins. Fourth, lipids. Fifth, vitamins. Sixth, minerals. Seventh, water. The main source of starch and cereals is bread. The main source of sugars is sweet foods and candy. The main source of proteins is meat, eggs, and milk products. The main source of lipids is oils and greases. The main source of vitamins is vegetables, fruits, and water. The main source of minerals is vegetables, fruits, and water. The main source of water is potable water and most kinds of food. Starch test. We know that nutrients are found in different kinds of foods. There are many ways to identify the ingredients of these foods. You may taste the food, recall previous knowledge, read labels on canned and packaged foods, or conduct scientific experiments. We are going to make tests to identify the presence of starch in some food. Test for starch. Using iodine solution. Consider the different kinds of food, iodine solution, which is brown in color, and a dropper. Use the dropper for adding a few drops of iodine solution on each piece of food as shown in the figures. We add on a fish iodine solution. The color of iodine drops remains brown. Adding iodine solution on a piece of bread, the color of iodine drops becomes dark blue. Adding iodine solution on a piece of meat, the color of iodine drops remains brown. Adding iodine solution on a potato, the color of iodine drops becomes dark blue. Adding iodine solution on oil, the color of iodine drops remains brown. Adding iodine solution on a cucumber, the color of iodine drops remains brown. Adding iodine solution on rice, the color of iodine drops becomes dark blue. The color of iodine drops change from brown to dark blue color when placed on foods containing starch, while the color of iodine drops does not change and remains brown when placed on foods that do not contain starch. Lipids test. Test for lipids. Using a piece of paper, rub foods containing lipids such as walnuts, almonds, olives, butter, and ghee. All the foods used in the experiment contain lipids. Rubbing each food on the paper leaves a translucent spot on it. The test to identify lipids is to rub the food on a paper and leaves a translucent spot on it. Water. Water is the elixir of life. The body needs about 2 liters of water per day. The body does not get this quantity only by drinking water. The majority of foods that we eat contains water. In this experiment, put a slice of apple in a test tube and heat the test tube as shown in the figure. We use a Bunsen burner. We put a slice of apple in a tube. After a few seconds, small droplets of water appears on the upper parts of the inner walls of the tube. This resulted from the evaporation of water from the slice of apple. This ensures the presence of water in the slice of apple. Vitamins. Vitamins are important for our body. The deficiency in vitamin D causes tooth decay and weak bones. It is advisable to eat eggs, milk, and milk products. So, vitamin D is important for our tooth and bones, and its source is from eggs, milk, and milk products. The deficiency in vitamin A causes vision problems. It is advisable to eat liver, eggs, cabbages, and cucumber. So, vitamin A is important for our eyes. Its source is from liver, eggs, cabbages, and cucumbers. Vitamin C fortifies the immunity against germs. It is advisable to eat lemon, oranges, tomatoes, and cabbages. So, vitamin C is important for our immune system. Its source is from lemon, oranges, tomatoes, and cabbages. Vitamin B activates the body and fortifies the blood. It is advisable to eat beans, lentils, and liver. So, vitamin B is important for our blood. Its source is from beans, lentils, and liver. Minerals. For strong teeth and bones, we should eat milk and its products and vegetables that contain calcium. Eating seafood, table salt that contain iodine affects the growth of the body and the regulation of the vital functions. Eating liver, spinach, and grains are essential for the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to all parts of the body. These foods contain iron. Thank you.